Need for while true. I don't understand why while true is needed in below example.
Because otherwise the worker thread would quit as soon as the first job was processed from the queue. The infinite loop ensures that the worker thread retrieves a new job from the queue when finished. Update: to summarize the comments to my, admittedly hasty, answer, the worker thread is demonic, ensured by daemon equals true, which means that it will automatically terminate when there are only demonic threads left in the Python interpreter. A more detailed explanation is given here. It is also worth mentioning that the get method of the queue on which the worker operates blocks the thread when the queue is empty to let other threads run while the worker is waiting for more jobs to appear in the queue.
This is